students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Students, do you remember in the last session what we have learned? Yes, can anybody tell me? Just try to remember. Yes, correct. In the last session, we have learned lesson number 8, that is people who help us, and also we have solved some question answers based on that lesson, correct? So can you tell me the names of people who help us every time whenever we need? Yes, there are some people who help us, that is hairdresser, barber, farmer, doctor, milkman, postman, then soldier, pilot, plumber, electrician. These are the people who help us whenever we need. That's why we call those people as our helpers. Okay? So today we will start with our new lesson. Okay? But before that, tell me, are you ready with your books, pencils and erasers? If not, just take out your book, pencil and eraser and keep in front of you. Okay? Read and listen to me carefully. Okay? Student, tell me, do you like to learn new things? Yes? Very good. Now tell me, do you like to learn perfect reading and writing? Yes, you also like this. Okay, very good. Now, can you tell me which is that place where you learn new things? Or which is that place or where you learn new things, where you learn to read, write, you learn to sing, to draw and paint some pictures? Can you tell me which is that place? Correct, that is the school. Very good. The school is the only place where you learn to write, read, to sing, to draw, to dance and many more things you learn in school. And that is the only place where we learn all these things under only one roof. Very good. So student, and also in school you make fun with your friends, you make new friends, many new friends you can make in school. This is the place where we get many new friends and where we learn new things. So student, today we are going to learn lesson number 9, that is school is fun. But before that, don't open your book, just listen to me. Students, do you know we live in a house? Correct? Where do we live? We live in a house, and in house there are some rooms, different rooms are there, and all those rooms have a different names. Like that, every school has its own building. What I am telling, every school has its own building, and inside that building there are some rooms, and all those rooms have a different names. Okay? Now let's have a small tour of our school. Okay? So everybody now pay attention on the board. I will show you our school building and some rooms from our school. Okay? So look at to the board. See students, can you see this picture? Can you identify whose school is this? Yes, correct. This is your school building, that is Nagesh Karasgi Orchid Schools building it is, and it's your school, no? Yes. See, it is a very big and huge building. Now see children, next picture. See, this is the school office. This is our school office. In this office, our admin staff sits and they do their work. In office, sometimes parents comes for admission query, or they come to pay their wards fee. Where they come for any queries? Yes, they come in our school office. Next, see, This is our principal's cabin. Do you know who is the principal of our school? Yes. See here, she is our principal ma'am, and the name of our principal ma'am is Mrs. Rupali Hazare ma'am. Our principal ma'am sits inside her cabin and she runs school very smoothly. She also helps us whenever we need. Got it, students? Who is the principal of our school? Yes, Mrs. Rupali Hazare ma'am is our school principal. Next, see, this is one of the classroom from our school. Students, can you see on the front wall there is a white interactive board and upside there is a projector. Also, see here, there are some charts on the wall. So, attractive charts and pictures are there. See here, here are some pictures. This is the chart of numbers and these are some charts on the another wall. Can you see in your class there are so many benches. See here, teacher's table and chairs are there. Here one cupboard is there. Yes, and whenever you write or whenever you learn your books, that time you keep your books on these benches, isn't it? Next, see children, this is the PlayStation and this is the PlayStation for small kids. Small kids come here to play whenever their PT period is there. See, they are playing seesaw here. They are your friends, no? Yes. See, this is the playground of your school. On the playground, you play different games. Sometimes we conduct assembly here or sometimes we conduct mass PT on the ground. And you learn to play different games on the playground like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, means elder students play. See, this is the staff room of our school and the staff room is for teachers. Inside this staff room, our teachers sit and they do their work whenever they are not conducting any class. Okay, who sits inside the staff room? Our teachers sits inside the staff room and all the teachers do their work. Next, see children, this is our school's music room. Which room is this? This is a music room. What do we do in music room? Yes, our music teacher teaches you to sing. You sing different song with your teachers. Also, you learn to play different musical instruments which are there in your music room. Can you see? Drums are there. Also, you learn to play harmonium, guitar, like these instruments you learn to play in music room. See children, the next room of our school is library. Do you know what is meant by library? Library means a collection of books where you can read many books as well as newspaper, storybooks, magazines. You can read in a library and it is a very peaceful room. See next, this is the, yes, which room is this? This is the computer room or a computer lab. Whenever your computer period is there, you comes in a computer room. Here you can find any information which you can find any information that you desire with the help of computer. Also you can make projects or PPTs with the help of computer. Next, see, this is the sick room of our school. What is the use of this sick room? Yes, we come in sick room whenever we are not feeling well. That time we comes in a sick room and we take a rest inside the sick room. Okay, you got it? Okay, very good. Now students, everyone open your book. Open your book, page number 214, lesson number 9. And what is the name of lesson? School is fun. So see, just now I told you about some rooms in school in detail. Now we will see from our book. See, lesson number 9, and the name of lesson is School is Fun. Have you opened your book? Okay, very good. See children, take a walk around your school. You will find many rooms in the school. Which is your favorite place in school? Why? But unfortunately, nowadays because of COVID-19, you are not coming to school, and I think you are missing to your school a lot. So here what you have to do? You have to write your favorite place in school. Now it is not possible to take a walk around your school, but just remember, whenever you were coming to school last year, that time, just remember which is your favorite place. Write the name of that place, or any room like a music room, auditorium, library, playground. So write the name here, and why you like that place, you have to try to write at least in a one sentence. Okay, it depends on you. So this is the homework for you. Okay, now everybody keep your book in front of you and listen to me. See, in this lesson what we are going to learn? Rooms in a school and people in school. Just now I told you in detail about the rooms in our school. Afterwards we will see people in a school. Okay, now listen. A day at school. We have our lessons in our classrooms. Our classroom has many desks and chairs or benches. We sit on the chairs or benches and keep our books on the desk. There is a board in the front. There are many charts on the walls of our classroom. Our classroom looks very nice and tidy. Now listen, I will explain. A day at school. How we spend our day at school? Means most of the time we spend our time in a classroom. Okay. If there is any music period, dance period or PT period, that time we come out of our class. Otherwise, remaining time we spend in our classroom. See, we have our lessons in our classroom. We learn many lessons or many subjects in our classroom, and our teachers teaches us lessons of different subjects. Our classroom has many desks and chairs or benches. Just now I have shown you some PPT, and in that I have shown you some slides. In that slides I have shown you one slide of classroom. Have you seen? No? Yes. In our classrooms there are many benches or desks, and also chairs are there. We sit on the chairs or benches. If chairs are there or benches are there, we sit on that chairs or benches, and we keep our books on the desk. We keep our books, notebooks or whatever our material is there, we keep on a desk like pencil, eraser, compass, we keep on a desk. There is a board in front, and in every classroom on the front wall there is a board. There are many charts on the walls of our classroom. Yes, no? In your classrooms also there are so many charts, and our classroom looks very nice and tidy because of all the charts. The walls looks very attractive, and our class also looks very neat, nice and tidy. Now look at to the next page, page number 215. Okay. Listen, we learn many things at school. As I told you before, we learn many more new things at school. We study many subjects there. Some of them are mathematics and English. Not only these two subjects, but also we learn different subjects like Marathi, Hindi, EVS, computer science. We also learn drama, arts and crafts too. Where we learn drama? In auditorium. Okay. What we learn? We learn many things at school. We study many subjects there. Some of them are mathematics and English. We also learn drama, arts and crafts too. Listen next. We take computer lessons in our computer room. What we do in a computer room? We take computer lessons in our computer room. See, what is a computer? Computer is a smart machine which runs on electricity. What is a computer? Computer is a smart machine which runs on electricity. It runs on electricity, and we take our lessons in our computer room. And whatever the information we want to find out, we can find out it with the help of computer. See, there is also a quiet place in our school which keeps a large collection of books. We can read, study or borrow books from there. This place is known as library. Once again listen, there is also a quiet place in our school which keeps a large collection of books, means library. Library is a quiet place of a school where nobody makes any noise. Very silently they sit in library and they read their books, and it is a large collection of books. We can read, we can study or borrow books. If we want to read, we can sit and read in library. If we want to do study, then also we can do the study. Or if you need any book, then you can borrow that book from library teacher to read. This place is known as library. Means, which is a quiet place in a school? Yes, library. What is meant by library? A place where we can read and borrow books from. Next, the school has a medical room too. We go there when we feel unwell. Every school has its own medical room, or we can call it as a sick room. In every school there is a medical room. We go there. When we go there? When we feel unwell. Unwell means not well. And there we can take rest for some time. Next, see, we play many games in the school playground. Whenever your PT period is there, you play many games in the school playground. Next, our teacher sits in the staff room when they are not giving class sessions. Yes, who sits in the staff room? Our teachers, and that staff room is only for teachers. Our teacher sits in the staff room when they are not giving class sessions. Our principal sits in the principal's office. As I told you before, teacher sits in staff room and our principal sits in the principal office. Is it clear? Okay, shall we go ahead? Okay. Now turn the page. Page number 260. Listen students. people who help us at school. Now we are going to learn about some people, those who help us at school. Listen, many people help us at school. There are many people in school who help us. See how they help us, and people who help us. See, teachers help us to learn new subject. Who help us to learn new subjects? Yes, teachers help us to learn new subjects. The principal is the head of the school. Who is the head of the school? Yes, the principal is the head of the school, and the principal runs the school very smoothly. We go to school canteen to eat food. Why do we go in canteen? We go in canteen to eat food. We also have people who keep the school clean. In our school there are some people, means Maushis are there. Maushis keep our school clean. We must help in keeping our school neat and tidy. We should also help to keep our school neat and tidy, or we should take care that there should not be any dirt in our classroom or school. If we notice any dirt in a classroom or on the playground, that time we should inform to our Maushis, and it will be helpful to keep our school clean. Is it clear? See, once again I will read this paragraph. People who help us at school. Many people help us at school. Teachers help us to learn new subjects. The principal is the head of the school. We go to school canteen to eat food. We also have people who keep the school clean. We must help in keeping our school neat and tidy. Okay, student? Now, once again, we will revise that what we have learned. See what we have learned today. We have learned about different rooms in a school. So, which are those different rooms in school? Yes, classrooms. What do we do in classroom? We have our lessons in a classroom. Means our teacher teaches different subjects, and in classroom there are many benches, table is there, chairs are there, and on the walls of classroom there are charts, and on the front wall there is a board. Next room we have seen that a computer room. In a computer room we take our computer lessons. Next we have seen that library. Library is the place in a school which is a large collection of books. In a library we can read, study or borrow books from there if we need books. Next room in school is medical room or a sick room. We go there when we feel unwell. Next is playground. Next place is playground. What do we do on playground? Yes, we play many games in the school playground. Next room we have seen that is a staff room. In staff room our teachers sits when they are not giving any class session. And next, that is a principal's office. Our principal sits inside the office, or we can say cabin. Okay? So student, today we have learned about the rooms in a school. So at home you have to revise this lesson, whatever I have taught you just now, and you have to read about the rooms you have to read the information about the rooms in your school. Okay. So we will meet in the next session with a new concept. Okay. Till that, take care. Bye students.